What happens when you can't remember the trauma? You ought to be thankful. Part of what our nervous system is wired to do is when we are facing overwhelming things, we dissociate, we separate ourselves from it. It's not terribly unlike a friend of yours that's deeply passionate about something you couldn't care less about. And the moment they start talking about it, you pretend to listen, but your mind is off doing something else. And that's a very normal thing. Dissociation isn't a bad thing. What we really want to do, though, with folks is to help them understand and learn to use it intentionally rather than a reaction. Let's talk a little bit about the failure to be able to recall details. There's an assumption that people actually recall things correctly, and we know that that isn't true. Every time a memory is activated, it is, if you want to think of it this way, it's massaged by the emotional state that you're in. And so if you're in an emotional state that's relatively negative or painful and you recall the memory, if you want to think of it this way, you're shading this memory. So it's not accurate. And if it's been one of those memories that's been recalled a number of times, it is really not accurate.